welcome back to the channel. My name is Heart, and today I have received something special. Well, not really today. It was actually yesterday, July the 16th. But what I received was my Map of the Soul official light stick. Yay! This is my first light stick. I'm just really excited to open it and do this unboxing. Before we get started, don't mind this piece of paper. You don't want to be seeing that. So yeah, let's just get started. Oh, and in advance, I'm sorry if there's any background noise. Okay, so here is the box that it came in. I'm sorry for the glare, but as you can see over here, it came from Weaver Shop America. I blacked out all of my information. So it came this little box, not really big. I believe the light stick is inside. Hopefully, if everything went well. So I got here my handy dandy box cutter. And we're going to cut open the tape. And seal it away. Let's just go in it. Let's see. Oh, see black box. Bro. It's here! Okay, so obviously it's a little damaged because of being in a box. It says Map of the Soul. Let me get rid of the box here. I'm very sorry I cannot zoom out all the way, but it's just, you know, a little bigger than what you see on screen. Or just exactly. And concerning the shipping, it did take a long time. I think from April to July, that's like 2.5 months because it came later and it was ordered later. Here's a box. It has some box markings on the box. Then Map of the Soul. And then here it says BTS Official Lightstick SE. I'm not really sure what the SE stands for. Okay, so we're going to the other side. Whoa! Oh, that's so cool. Oh my. It's so cool because these trapezoids make, you know, are the symbol of BTS. But when you turn it, you see ARMY, you know, these other trapezoids. That's so cool. I really love that. How did they even think of that? And then it says BTS at the bottom. Look, literally look at that. Like how, that's so amazing. It's a really positive sign and I love it. Also, it feels really nice. It's like, this is the same as this. Like the rest of the box has the same feel, but then this feels kind of like a plastic or like kind of like a tape thing. And it's really nice. Alright, next side. It says, once again, Map of the Soul. And at the bottom, it says BTS Official Lightstick SE. So it's just like the beginning one. And then the other side is this one with a lot of words. So it says BTS Official Lightstick SE, Map of the Soul. Yeah, these are just the basic information that you need to know about the light stick. I don't think I'll do any of that. So I think I'm okay. It does have Bluetooth. Oh, I guess it's recyclable. That's nice. Here's the Big Hit thing. And here is the Big Hit official sticker. Please always watch out for these type of stickers to know that they are official. Okay, and there's nothing on the bottom. This top. So that's pretty nice. Let's just open this up. So I have lifted the tape. Nothing was damaged except for maybe just a few scratches on the box. So now we open it. Let's see how it goes. How do I open this? Oh, okay. Okay. Bro, wait, is this real? Look. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, no, not yet, not yet, not yet. I'm scared to even touch it. Stay still, please. And then this. Oh my gosh, no, I'm just... okay, turn that around. Okay. And then what's left on the inside, I'll just put the box aside. And let's see what we've got here. This is the light stick. I'm not sure what this is. Some things here. I think it was some photo cards or something. Okay. Let me neat this out. It keeps rolling. Okay. BTS official Lightstick SE Map of the Soul. Copyright thing. It says in Korean, and then it says it in English. So these are just instructions and how to use it. Precautions, warranty, product specifications is in Japanese. This is Chinese. And that's it. It's a little booklet thing. Okay, so let's put this here and let's take a look at these. Okay, so it seems this might be like a soft case for the light stick. Let's see if we unfold it. Yeah. Little drawstring bag. It has the ARMY logo here, and the other side it has a BTS special edition. So it's pretty nice, and it's, I'm not sure if you can see it, yeah, it's glittery. The font, I don't think there's anything inside, no. But here's that. And then here is the light stick drawstrap, I think it is. It says BTS here. It's there. You can see it there. Oh, that looks better. And then on the other side, oh, it says ARMY. That's so cute. This here. And to the side, I remember I saw some photo cards. And this is Namjoon. Okay, so I'm not sure if we're supposed to get all 7 of them. It looks like I might have. There's one smaller one. I'm not sure what that means. Here we have Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jung Ho-suk, Park Ji-min, Kim Tae-hyung, and Jung Joong-kook. And here, oh, we have the BTS official Lightstick special edition. Scan the QR code on Weeply to get the emblem and cash. Oh, that's so cool. I got one of these when my friend gave me one of these, I think because she got 2, or she bought 2 or something, and she wanted to give me one. And it was like a survey thing. And last but not least, here is the light stick. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm holding it. So excited. It's very different from the other light sticks, the version 1, 2, and 3. It seems that this is a lot smaller. It's covering the like foggy sphere here. It says ARMY, and the other side it says BTS. If we look down, you can see there, these are 2 buttons, and on the back side it says Map of the Soul. It has here the ARMY sign, and the front side it says BTS. So they really incorporated ARMY into all of this. Yeah, they don't come with battery. I think this is where you put in the batteries. That's what it looks like inside. It's all black, despite what the camera is showing. I'm back with some AAA batteries. So if we take this out, and I'm not sure if they'll work well because I don't really have AAA batteries, and these were used on something else. I'm going to insert them. I'm pretty sure it was this way. Mainly talked about this, which the bottom means it's Bluetooth, I believe. Middle is off, and top is on. It isn't turning on. Okay, so it actually does give off some light. Right now it's red and on the on section, but it's not very clear. We're gonna go get some new ones, but it does give off some light. Oh, something that I forgot to show you was the back of these cards. So it says BTS and then Map of the Soul for every single one. It says the members' stage names in the fan chat order. So it's RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. While we're waiting, let's take a look at this Lightstick strap. It doesn't stretch. If you see it this way, it says BTS Army. You're supposed to put it on the Lightstick, and then while you're holding it, this will help stay on your wrist. So when you're like going crazy, it doesn't, you know, fall and break. Okay, this was probably like a millisecond for you, but we finally got AAA batteries. It's the same company that they recommended. This is aesthetic. This is not aesthetic at all. I hate this. I'll put them inside my Army Bomb. While I was waiting, I only found out what SE means. Official Lightstick SE. It stands for Special Edition. How did I not get that? Hopefully this is good and it finally turns on. So up is on. Okay, 1, 2. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's so bright. Oh my god, I'm blinded. You can't even see it. It's all white on camera. The initial color is white. I'm not sure how to get it to change colors. I think that's only for Bluetooth maybe. This is the first option. One click is keeping. Second click is slow. I think it's fading. Oh, okay. Slow flickering. Quick. Oh yeah, that's really quick. Oh, flash. Oh, that's even faster, and it looks really cool on camera. And the last option is dimming. Whoa, this really, oh, this is going to be so emotional at the concert when we're finally together. And another is keep, right, because it's still on. If I turn it off, it turns off to Bluetooth mode. Ooh. But I think this is a thing that does when it's searching for Bluetooth, which maybe I'll make a video on it when I figure out how to do it. But does it change color? No. I think you actually have to get it on Bluetooth. Okay, so one final step that you have to do is put the strap on the Lightstick. Put it over here. Does it go in this crack thing? Does it? Oh! Oh, I see what you have to do. You have to go to the bottom of the Lightstick thing. Oh, yes. It went through. And now all we have to do is let it go. Enter the loop. I think this is how you do it. And then ties around. And now it's the strap. Turns on. And you put it on. And there. It doesn't fall off. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing of my first Lightstick. To basically explain everything from the beginning. This is the manual. These are some photo cards. This is the QR code. This is the Lightstick bag, the Lightstick strap, and the Lightstick. That's everything in the box. Subscribe to Glamour Heart for more K-pop videos and things related. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.